Welcome sa E-SKUL ng Bayan. Andito ako para samahan kayong mag-review. Tara, aral!
Kaya yung sagutan nito, actually relatively mas madali na to. So I guess magdadagdag ako ng isang example after this. Okay, so try this one guys. Saglit lang guys ha. Kopyahin nyo muna to. This is number 4. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, so may nagtanong if a factor out muna yung number 1. So actually, hindi. Ang gagawin mo is, i-multiply mo yung nasa numerator mo kasi your goal is to divide it by x squared plus 1. Okay? X squared plus 1. May factors ba ang x squared plus 1? Okay, so you're actually gonna multiply yung numerator. Okay, you can use FOIL method. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, that's actually a perfect square trinomial. Yung product niya. Kasi you have negative 12, and you have positive 2x and positive 2x. So you can still use FOIL method. Dapat pareho pa rin yung sagot. Guys, bakit kayo nag-x squared is equal to negative 1? For number 1, synthetic division is not applicable. Kasi ang degree ng iyong denominator is 2. Again, synthetic division will only apply for linear or yung highest degree ng iyong polynomial sa baba is 1. Okay? So, hindi kayo magsisynthetic sa number 1, guys. Okay, let's start with number 1. So, here, yung taas natin, that's just equal to 4x squared minus 48x plus 142 over x squared plus 1. So, using long division method, 4x squared minus 48x plus 142, ito, wala ka ng x term. So, I will add it here. Ito actually, this step is unnecessary pagdating sa divisor mo. But personally, nilalagyan ko para hindi ako malito. Okay? So, here we have x squared and then 4x squared. So, 4x squared divided by x squared is equal to 4. Okay? 4 times x squared, 4x squared, 4 times 0x, that's 0x. 4 times 1, that's equal to 4. Minus, you will have 0. Here you will have negative 48x, and then ito, minus 4. So that's plus, positive pa rin, 138. So this is your remainder. Oo nga, 144. Okay. 144. Minus 4, so that's 140. Okay, correction, this is 144. So 144 minus 4, that's 140. Okay, so anong final answer natin dito? Our final answer here would be 4 plus negative 48x plus 140 over x squared plus 1. Okay? Nakuha ba? This is your final answer. Number 2, 4x squared minus 9 over x plus 6. May nagsagot na ba na number 2? Okay, let's do synthetic division here. So here, itong taas, kulang tayo ng x term. So we will add that, 4x squared plus 0x minus 9 over x plus 6. Okay, so ano ang ating values dito? Coefficients is 4, 0, and negative 9. Okay? So ano yung magiging divisor natin dito? X plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 6. So here we have negative 6. First term, ibababa lang. So this is 4. 4 times negative 6, that's equal to negative 24. Add mo sila, negative 24. Negative 24 times negative 6, that's equal to 144. Okay? Negative 9 plus 144, that's equal to 135. Okay, again, ito yung remainder natin. So, that's over x plus 6. Ito yung ating, yung ating constant. or x raised to 0. At ito naman yung x. Okay? 4x minus 24 plus 135 over x plus 6. So, kahit anong method yung gamitin nyo, dapat ito yung sagot nyo. Number 3, x raised to 4 plus 4x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 48 over x plus 4. Okay, so may kulang ba tayo na term? Wala. So, anong ating coefficients? Here we have 1, 4, 1, negative 8, negative 48. So what's our divisor here? X plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 4. Negative 4 dyan. Okay, so again, yung first term, ibababa lang. 1 times negative 4, that's equal to negative 4. Add mo sila. Okay? Guys, in synthetic division, hindi nagbabago yung sign. Add mo sila. Okay? You add this one, that's equal to 0. Okay, 0 times negative 4, that's equal to 0. Add mo sila, 1. 1 times negative 4, that's equal to negative 4. Add mo sila, that's equal to negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 4, that's equal to 48. Okay, add mo sila ulit, that's equal to 0. Okay, so again guys, clarification, hindi nagbabago ang sign sa synthetic division. You are adding here. Okay, add. Sa long division, nagsasubtract ka. Okay? Bali dito actually, fina-follow mo lang kung ano yung signs nila. Alright? So this is your remainder, this is your constant, this is your x squared naman ito, and this is your x cubed. Okay? So looking at this, our final answer should be x cubed, 0 yung x squared, so wala na yan, plus x minus 12. Okay? This is our final answer. Pwede ka rin mag-long division dito, ha? Okay. Number 4. We have 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 3. So here, ano ang ating coefficients? We have 2, 5, negative 2, and may kulang ba? Wala naman. Negative 15. So our x here would be 3 halves. Okay? Kasi equate mo lang to 0. 3 halves. Right? Okay, so carry down, bring down lang to 2. 2 times 3 halves, that's equal to 3. 5 plus 3, that's equal to, may mali akong ginawa. Hindi, tama. 8. 8 times 3 halves, that's equal to 12. Okay? Negative 12, negative 2 plus 12, that's equal to 10. 10 times 3 halves, that's equal to 15. Negative 15 plus 15, that's equal to 0. Okay, so again, ito ang ating remainder. Constant, x and x squared. Again, hindi pa ito ang final answer. Okay, nililito ko kayo kasi ako rin mismo nakakalimutan ko. So, take note, huwag niyong kalimutan yon. Divide everything by the denominator. So, times 1/2 lang yan. This one becomes 1. Ito magiging 4, 5, and 0 pa rin to. So, this is your remainder, constant, x squared. Our final answer is going to be x squared plus 4x plus 5.